Good morning, student. Today I will explain exercise 11.4. Question 1. A garden is 90 meter long and 75 meter broad. A path 5 meter wide is to be built outside and around it. Find the area of the path. Also find the area of the garden in hectare. Student, first you have to make the figure after reading the question. Then solve. You can see here length of garden is equal to 90 meter and breadth of garden is equal to 75 meter. So first we have to find the area of garden. Area of garden is equal to length into breadth. So 90 into 75 is equal to 6750 meter square. The new length and breadth of the garden when path is also included are 100 meter and 85 meter respectively. So area of the garden including the path 100 into 85 is equal to 8500 meter square. Now area of path is equal to area of the garden including the path minus area of garden is equal to 8500 minus 6750 is equal to 1750 meter square. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. Therefore, area of garden in hectare is equal to 6750 upon 10,000. If we divide 6750 by 10,000, we get 0.675 hectare. Okay. Now, question number 2. A 3 meter wide path runs outside and around a rectangular park of length 125 meter and breadth 65 meter. Find the area of the path. First we have to make the diagram, then solve it. Length of park is equal to 125 meter, breadth of park is equal to 65 meter. So area of park length into breadth 125 into 65 is equal to 8125 meter square. The new length and breadth of the park when path is also included are 131 meter and 71 meter respectively. So area of the park including the path is equal to 131 into 71 is equal to 9301 meter square. Area of path. Area of path is equal to area of the park including the path minus area of park. 9301 minus 8125 is equal to 1176 meter square. So area of path is equal to 1176 meter square. Question number 3. A picture is painted on a cardboard 8 cm long and 5 cm wide such that there is a margin of 1.5 cm along each of its sides. Find the total area of the margin. First, you have to draw the figure, then solve it. Given length of cardboard 8 cm and breadth of cardboard 5 cm. First, we have to find the area of cardboard. So area of cardboard is equal to length into breadth. 8 into 5 is equal to 40 cm square. From the figure, it can be observed that the new length and breadth of the cardboard when margin is not included are 5 cm and 2 cm respectively. Area of cardboard not including the margin is equal to 5 into 2 is equal to 10 cm square. Now, area of the margin is equal to area of cardboard including the margin minus area of cardboard not including the margin. 40 minus 10 is equal to 30 cm square. Okay. So area of the margin is equal to 30 cm square. Question number 4. A veranda of with 2.25 meter is constructed all along outside a room which is 5.5 meter long and 4 meter wide. Find first the area of the veranda, second the cost of cementing the floor of the veranda at the rate of rupees 200 per meter square. First we have to make the diagram. Given length of room 5.5 meter and breadth of room 4 meter. So first we have to find the area of room. Length into breadth is equal to 5.5 into 4 is equal to 22 meter square. Area of room including the veranda is equal to 10 into 8.5 is equal to 85 meter square. Now area of veranda is equal to area of the room including the veranda minus area of room. 85 minus 22 is equal to 63 meter square. So area of veranda is equal to 63 meter square. Cost of cementing 1 meter square area of the floor of the veranda is equal to rupees 200. So cost of cementing 63 meter square area of the floor of the veranda is equal to 200 into 63 is equal to rupees 12,600. So cost of cementing 63 meter square area of the floor of the veranda rupees 12,600. Okay. Question number 5. A path 1 meter wide is built along the border and inside a square garden of side 30 meter. Find the area of path and second the cost of planting grass in the remaining portion of the garden at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. First we have to make the diagram, then first find out the area of square. Side of square garden is equal to 30 meter. So area of square garden including path a square or side square is equal to 30 square is equal to 900 meter square. The side of the square garden when path is not included is 28 meter. So area of the square garden not including the path is equal to 28 square is equal to 784 meter square. Now area of path. Area of path is equal to area of the square garden including the path minus area of square garden not including the path. 900 minus 784 is equal to 116 meter square. So area of path is equal to 116 meter square. Second, cost of planting grass in 1 meter square area of the garden is equal to rupees 14 given. So cost of planting grass in 784 meter square area of the garden is equal to 784 into 40 is equal to rupees 31,360. So cost of planting grass in 784 meter square area of the garden is rupees 31,360. Student, in my next lecture I will explain from question number 6 to 11. Okay, have a nice day.